beautiful landscape, driving from Salt Lake City to Hanksville, Utah. We took Highway 15 from Salt Lake City to Spanish Fork, then on Route 6 up to Highway 70, and then heading west up to Route 24, then south up to Hanksville. I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please think of subscribing. This way you won't miss nothing, and you will support my channel. Thank you. That day started at Firestone to have an oil change on my car. Then I came back at my camping to hook the camping trailer and leave. This camera is working, and also this one, so ready to go. Salt Lake City is the capital and most populous municipality of U.S. states of Utah, with an estimated population of 200,591 in 2018. The city is the core of Salt Lake City metropolitan area, which has a population of 1,222,540 estimated in 2018. The city was founded in 1847 by followers of the church, led by Brigham Young, who were seeking to escape persecution that they had experienced while living further east. The Mormon pioneers, as they would come to be known, entered an arid valley and immediately began building, planning, and extending an extensive irrigation network which could feed the population and foster future growth. Salt Lake City has developed a strong outdoor recreation tourist industry based primarily on skiing, and the city held the 2002 Winter Olympics. Stopping to fill up the gas tank. From Salt Lake City to Hanksville, we did 384 kilometers with an average of 19.9 liters per 100 kilometers with the camping trailer that day. It costs us about 50% more gas pulling the camping trailer. Passing through this valley with these wind turbines is quite beautiful. On each side of the Route 6, there's some beautiful mountain on each side, from Spanish Fork to Prize. upper right, you can see some big rocks. I wouldn't like to see them rolling down as we pass by. This nice open side area was inviting, so we decided to stop for a few pictures and take a rest. This monument relates how important coal was in the 1870s for this area. This is the Carbon Country Club golf course. The roads are just beautiful. It was almost lunchtime, so we decided to stop at the Horse Canyon rest area to have lunch. It's really a beautiful rest area, surrounded on the east side with some beautiful mountains. It's very handy to have its own camping trailer behind us to make ourselves a good meal. We're back on the road after a good lunch. The Book Cliff Mountains are a series of desert mountain and cliff in western Colorado and eastern Utah. They are so named because the cliff of Cretaceous sandstone that cap many of the south-facing buttes appears to be similar to a shelf of books. Rafeal Swell is a large geologic feature located in south-central Utah, about 30 miles west of Green River, and measuring approximately 75 by 40 miles. Helen took a picture passing by, and also took some of us. There's 44 miles left to Hanksville. San Rafeal River is so small here you could jump over it. The Goblin Valley State Park, which will be seen in the next video. From here to the Goblin Valley State Park, there's still 19 kilometers to get to the park entrance. Gilson View, Mount Ellen, 3,513 meters in Henry Mountains, Catline Rock, Factory View, which will also be seen in another video. Dirty Devil River, Hanksville, Utah. Welcome to Hanksville, Utah. When you're pulling a camping trailer in these areas, you don't fool around. As soon as you see a gas station, you fill it up. Arriving at Duke's Slick Rock Campground and RV Park, Hanksville, Utah. This is the office. Helen is standing up, ready to go visit. And here is our site. S'il vous plaît, aimez, partagez et abonnez-vous. Please hit the like button, share and subscribe.